Right, hello everyone, welcome to a little forecast video on US30. We currently just had the New York opening and we're going to go over the price action now and what we can expect with this New York session. So let's go to the high time frame. So we made a weekly forecast last night and 4 hour time frame. All we're doing is looking out for retracement to this level and then just looking to target the all-time high. The all-time high was a clear target for this week, and you can clearly see we've already taken that today. So next we'll be looking for some sort of retracement. No levels above this high, it's the all-time high, so it's out in the open. So naturally, going into today, you'd be looking for some sort of reversal. This is the New York opening. We've already pushed up with the release. So we go to the 30-minute time frame. So this trade template is New York opening takes place, pushes up, takes liquidity and a key level, which is the all-time high. Now we're likely to get a reversal of some sort, and that is expected to target the New York opening at least, or a full reversal to the downside. So what that means is this is pushing up, giving them a premium sell area, then they start selling hard, which would be a big high time frame bearish move. But obviously we'd take it bit by bit, and all we'd be targeting at the moment is the New York opening. That's on the 30-minute time frame. Now we go down to the 5-minute and see what's happening. At the moment, price is retraced to, this is the all-time high, well, the old all-time high, found bullish support there and then pushed back up. So it's taken liquidity here, and what you'd be looking for is bearish movement from now. You're still focusing on that bearish movement, and you're not afraid to take these positions because you are within your trading time, and you have a limit amount of trades you can take within that time, and you've done your back testing, so most of the time you know these moves are going to happen. You've just got to have the confidence to get into it. So you'd be selling here, your stop loss would be at the high. As price comes down, you're looking to move to break even, I would say around here. We are taking liquidity here. We are taking this liquidity by this big bullish candle. Now we're reversing, and we're looking to target this one here. Now you don't want to be doing this too many times. So that's what we're looking at the moment. We're looking for that reversal. So we're just going to leave that and go over the London opening. So just like the other videos, going into the London opening, you'd be preparing yourself. So you look at the previous day. Discount buy area from Friday is here. Clearly see. You have a potential sell area here, but it's not got much volume. You can see we just go sideways here. And we're using that previous New York opening as bullish support. So even though there's a premium sell area, it's not a strong one, because we're being held up by this previous New York opening as bullish support. So there's not really much you would look to trade unless you got to move down to here, or we took the previous day high like we have today. We go into the London opening, and that's here. So we have the mop here, pre-London here, and the London opening here. So the trade here is a clear buy, because even though we're in the middle of these areas, all we're doing is focusing on what is expected. Now we've had a retest of this previous day here, a retest of this past New York opening. That is a bullish confirmation. We can clearly see they were buying, and this sell, premium sell area is just, it is a sell area, but it's not a very strong one. So that's just something to look out for. What you need to do is have confirmations in that area too to make that a valid sell. So a buy from here would make perfect sense. Now this is the Asian session low, and you can see the London session opens, goes sideways a bit, then comes down, takes that Asian session low, takes the liquidity from here, then starts to give you that bullish movement. Once it goes through the London opening level, you can clearly see that's a bullish move to target this high at least. So that was a nice clear buy this morning. and that was just a bullish move. Then that gives you a bullish confirmation. No, so you're in a bullish buy from down here, and you're not looking to take too many, no more than 3 for the London opening. Price goes up, takes the Asian session high here, and you'd have took most partial profits there. Then you could have, let's say you got into the sell here, you saw that as taking the liquidity, you're near the premium sell area, and you see that as a sell. Price comes down, you get into the sell, say around here, stop loss at the high, and let's say price reverse, you don't move to break even. Let's say that's a stop loss hit. You would have been in profit from here, and that would have been a small stop loss hit. So overall, you're still in good profit. And remember, this one is still running in profit. You've left a small margin to run at break even. Price then continues to the upside, and it doesn't really give you much. It comes into the premium sale area, but you don't really get any confirmations. Price isn't really clearing this high until it gets to the New York session. So you would have only took that buy and maybe one stop loss hit on a sell. Now we go into the New York session, which we're currently in. So price is just below the past daily low, previous daily low. Yeah, previous daily low, that's this line here. Then just before it pushes up, takes that. So what you're looking for is a rejection on the smaller time frame. So let's go to the 1 minute, just see how that takes place. Push up, New York opening takes place here, continues to push up. You might have got in a stop loss hit here, and then got taken out. So you got one stop loss hit, and then you see this here, you start selling again. Start selling, by the time you get down to here, break even, and you're clearing this low and at the all-time high level, so you take small partials. That covers your stop loss hit here. Price goes up, shows bullish support, but you give it one more try. We're taking liquidity here. Like I said, you'd sell around here, stop loss at the high, and by this time now, you would be at break even. I'm just going to do that while I'm recording this video, just so you know. Moving that to break even, and that is it. So we're doing that. Well, I'm just doing that now. So all you're doing is following these confirmations that you've back tested, and it shows nearly every day at these session openings. And all this is doing is following the trade template of session opens, pushing up to a key level, takes a liquidity pool, and that gives New York traders a premium price to sell at, and then price comes down, and it will either find bullish support at the New York opening for continuation up if the true direction is bullish, or it will break this level. Sometimes you get a retest and then a clear continuation down, and that is when you will get a bigger move towards the downside. So if we get that today, this would be your consolidation. The upwards move would be your fake out, and the New York traders would clearly be selling from up here for a big move down. New York opening would be the area you would take partial profits at, then the London session low here, and then you would look to take more partial profits down here at Friday's discount buy area, because that is a potential reversal area. So that's what you'd be looking for at the moment as we're speaking. So I'm going to leave it there, and I'll do my normal recap video over the next few days, and we'll just go over what happened. But that's what we're currently looking at the moment in sales at break even. Myself, I know a few members got the buy on the London session, and this is I've only traded the New York session today, starting the week nice and early, nice and slowly. But yeah, that's what we're looking at on US30. Message me if you've got any questions, links are in the video description.